I'm Brad Hall, and on today's episode, Travis Scott's latest. He did a number on the Nike Air Force One. I'm going to tell you all about that shoe. I'm going to show you how that shoe looks on my feet, and then I'm going to share with you how I think you should wear this shoe. Stay tuned. Now, there were 3 other Travis Scott releases this year. This is the 4th, and I wasn't expecting to love this one as much as I do, but there are so many details in it. It might be my favorite. As my eye traveled the shoe, I love seeing all of these different sections, different materials and different colors, all coming together in this beautiful way. I see a little bit of suede on there and some leather on the toe box. Then you've also got some canvas, some corduroy, a burlap sack type material, a camo swoosh, I love that. On the heel, you've got a little bit of wool, winter ready. It's gonna keep your heel warm back there. Now you've also got workwear inspired heel flap. Even the midsole is considered. Look at that light green thread. Now I haven't mentioned probably the biggest standout detail on this shoe, and that is this, the shroud that goes over the laces, protects them from dirt, from wear. 2 different materials on this, one different than the other. Then there's also this gold zipper right down the middle. So it's just full of surprises. I tried on the shoe both ways, with the shroud and without. So 2 great options, but Travis Scott's previous collaborations, they got me hungry for pockets. I want a pocket on this model too. And it turns out it's very easy to do that. You can attach any pocket to the laces and it's gonna look great. So that is the way I would recommend wearing this shoe. Build on Travis Scott's sneaker legacy of the pocket and go all out with it. Give it the pocket that it deserves. So that was a very big episode today, and potentially my shoe of 2019, which I'm gonna share with you later on this year. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned in general.